Oh man. Spooky town. Are you gonna focus or what?
Come on, man!
Now you're probably wondering, what does a real-life first-person Resident Evil map have to do with cooking? Well, let me tell you. I was doing a lot of stuff in a few days' time, and I just kind of threw it all together. So it's all tied together into a late Halloween, election day, horrible, horrible cooking video. And for that, you're welcome.
Sounds like doo-doo out here. Yeah?
Okay. Well, my exposure's gone all over the place, but I've been wanting to make more YouTube videos for a while here. I'm gonna start off with a little vlog style video, and you guys get to see what I do tonight. Down here, I have my dog, Cookie. She's good. She's a good dog. And all around me, I have my very messy room. It's mostly just kind of concentrated to certain areas, like the whole room. Let's go. Okay. Wow, this is quite the ambiance with the lighting here. So, I've been doing some cooking. I don't know if you can see that. Been doing some cooking here. Let's turn on the light. Cooking some chicken. I'm very lazy. It's not going to taste as good, but I'm just going to throw some noodles in there and yeah, make chicken pasta just like that. Here is our pig grill. You may see here in another video. Dusty kitchen, nothing to, oh wait, that's not dust, that's a fly. Even better. Where's the noodles? I don't know. They're there. Noodle time. Clean the counter time. Pasta boy. How can I? I'm gonna commit the Italian cardinal sin if I can. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Oh boy. Ba-ba-da-boom. Oh no. Oh no. It's an impasta. Here's our scratched up pan that definitely won't give us cancer. Look at it boil. Let's cook my camera sensor. Looks like it's coming along. Oops. It's getting there. Oopsie. It's getting there.
Have you no empathy, man?
Time to put on the strain. Brand sponsor. This is my cat, Toby. She's not very sociable, but she likes Cookie. I'm just like increasing the creep factor of this video. Added some olive oil. Gonna add some Parmesan. Gonna mix it together. It's like the most unappetizing. Food video. Pretty tasty. Parmesan. Never can have too much. Clean the thingy. Probably should have wiped out the oil. Oh, clean. Well, I mean stained, but clean. Also, don't come at me in the comments, because I almost never, well, really, okay, that's right. Also, don't come at me in the comments putting the parmy away, because I'm really careful about always wiping out oil from the pans. What is your plan? What is your plan? Oh, he's gonna get us. You sneaky Pete. Rubbing your feet. Oh, he doesn't care. He's letting me get really close. So close I can't even see him. Hey, nope, can't see anything. Oh, two sisters. She has her own bed over there, but she never uses it. So I actually don't have any footage of me eating this dish, because when I did, I died, and now I'm a ghost. Until next time. Can I pause it?